The buildings you see here were on the place when we bought it. It was 16 or 17 years ago we bought this place. And every winter we marvel at how they stand and make it through this. I mean, there's brand new metal buildings around here that have collapsed here in northwest Wisconsin. But this here, my oldest son Daniel tore half of it down, I think it was 2 summers ago, to make room for the workshop that we built. And it's like half a building and it's still standing. I mean, that's 2.5 feet, maybe 3 feet of snow up there. And this thing stands. So I wanted to show it to you. Here's the inside. Out looking at a new workshop. Thanks for watching.